Hello everyone, this is Enzamam and welcome to Enzamam Study Hub. As you know, nowadays the polity and the economy, these two subjects are on high demand for any competitive exam. You will definitely get a question or you will definitely get question from the subjects of polity and economy if you sit for any examination. So especially from the polity, and they will ask the question from polity, the topics of polity which were in the news. So, and I know that there are some important topics which were in the news regarding polity, so I have decided to discuss these topics. So the first one is that the right to property. You know, recently the Keshwananda Bharti, an important personality, has passed away. So as you know that the Keshwananda Bharti is associated with a landmark judgment of the Supreme Court of India that outlined the basic structure, doctrine of Indian Constitution. And that judgment was passed on 24th April 1973. The question might come to the related portion of this topic like right to property, constitution amendment, judicial review, basic structure, Article 13, 9th schedule, Coelho case. These are related topics associated with the judgment or associated with the amendment. So today I'll discuss the first one, the right to property. You know, right to property was a fundamental right before 44th Amendment Act, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1978, and after the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, it has become a legal right. Legal right, that means the parliament can make a law and can take away the property that you having in public interest. In original constitution, the right to property was mentioned in Article 19F and 31, but it was deleted by 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 and inserted a new Article 300-A, which describes that your property is saved by the authority of law or is saved by any executive action. That means no authority or executive can take your property until and unless the parliament makes a law. It can only be taken once the government make a law in the parliament in public interest. So what are the important things that you need to remember for the exam's point of view? That is the 44th Amendment Act 1978. It was the Constitution Amendment Act which deleted that right to property as a fundamental right and make it a legal right. And as well as the judgment of Keshwananda Bharti case, 24th April 1973, and Article 19F and 31, which were in the original constitution, described about the fundamental right to property. And now the right to property is a legal right under Part 12 of the Constitution. So these are the important things that you need to remember for your exam point of view. So if you think that the video is informative, so kindly share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you for today and see you again.